Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm talking about crypto, right? And how scary crypto actually is, because last year I did a couple videos on how I bought Cardano, right? And I actually bought a lot on accident. I think I was only trying to buy like 100, and somehow I ended up buying 1,200 Cardano shares, or whatever you want to call it, coin shares, however it is. I bought 1,200, so I did a video like, oh my God, I was freaking out, like, yo, I didn't want to spend all this money. And I remember being like, oh wait though, but what if this was meant to be? What if these 1,200 Cardano blows up, right? Because when I bought it, I think it was $1.36 or $1.37 for one Cardano, right? So I had 1,200. So I did a couple videos. I'm like, my instant thing was like, yo, I need to sell this, because I didn't want all this, right? I wasn't trying to spend all this money. But then, I was looking up and seeing how Cardano was predicted to blow up. Cardano was supposed to be the truth, right? So all these people talk about like, yo, this is it right here. So I ended up just holding on to it, right? So it's almost been a year, close to a year. And I've been noticing the last few months, Cardano has been dropping, right? And I'm like, what the hell, right? And a popular YouTuber who does crypto, like he predicted like 8-9 months ago that he thought Cardano was going to hit $5 by the end of 2021. Now, it's only 2 weeks left in 2021, and Cardano is down big time. All right. So as I check this video, as I'm making this video, Cardano is at $1.24, right? $1.24. I bought it, I believe, at $1.37, maybe $1.36. But anyway, that's like not good, right? So I'm glad I'm not planning on selling it, or need to sell it or anything like that. Obviously, I gotta hold on to this. I gotta hold on to Cardano for a while, see what's gonna happen with it. And the crazy part is Cardano was at it was like 280 something, right? It was at 280 something, $2.80 something a few months ago for like a few weeks, right? And it crossed my mind to be like, yo, I'm like almost over doubling my money. Like, maybe I should sell. And then I was thinking about the YouTuber who was like, yo, this could hit $5. This could hit $5 by the end of the year. So I'm like, all right, let me hold on. I see it's going in the right direction. But nope. Nah. It's at $1.24. Hopefully by the time you watching this video, maybe Cardano is a little higher. But it just goes to show you this crypto stuff is a risk. It is risky. And if you got, the money to kind of play with, or disposable money that you want to throw into it, I say give it a shot. I would research, as much as you can, before you buy something. But I still do got hope in Cardano, right? I mean, I'm going to hold on to it. I wasn't planning on selling it like anytime soon anyway. But I mean, just to go to show you, like, Cardano is down, and this is some risky stuff. All right, but guys, it's all good. It's all good, because I got some opportunities that's nowhere near as risky as crypto. All right, and you can check that out below. Learn how you can start earning $300 commissions. Earn while you learn. Check it out. First link in the description. I'm sure you like that. And it's way more stable than crypto. All right. Be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.